Hey everyone, Allison here. Today I'm reviewing Kumho Tire's new all-weather tire, the Solus HA32. Look, I'm from the Midwest, and after doing some research on my options for a new set of tires that could stand up to our harsh winters and wet weather, I had these tires fit to my 2022 Land Rover Discovery Sport. Let me tell you, these are performing amazingly well despite the unpredictable weather where I live. And these tires were designed to fit a variety of vehicles too, including passenger cars, SUVs, and CUVs. Hop in with me and I'll tell you more of my thoughts along the way. The Solus HA32 is specifically engineered for people like me who need traction in every season and an emphasis on wet and snow performance. This tire is specifically designated as an all-weather tire. Now, the all-weather tire segment may be unfamiliar if you're used to traditional all-season tires, and many people think they are the same, but they are actually different. And this market has been growing rapidly in the last few years. The key difference between all-weather and all-season tires is the enhanced winter performance for all-weather tires, which even include the tire industry's Three Peak Mountain Snowflake symbol, indicating that they are equipped to perform in severe winter conditions. For those who have been using all-season tires in the winter weather, you know sometimes they can leave something to be desired when it turns cold and the roads get a bit snowy. One of the first things I noticed about these HA32 tires is the grip. I feel like no matter what is in front of me, my car will stop when I need it to and provide traction even when it's slick. Kumho says there's a 15% improvement in wet grip and 10% in wet handling and braking compared to their previous model. I think a big part of this is the V-shaped tread pattern Kumho designed to improve traction. The wide lateral grooves also help channel away water, so I don't need to worry about hydroplaning when it's wet out. If you find that traditional all-season tires leave you feeling unsafe in cold temperatures or wet weather, the Solus HA32 may be a good fit for you because these tires maximize snow grip. But even if you live in an area that sees more sun than snow, the excellent wet grip and braking make this a great option for rainy days or just the trips you may take to areas where it does get colder and see winter conditions. The technology that Kumho has put into the compound and tread design of this tire to maximize that wet and winter performance also means you aren't sacrificing tread wear. With a 60,000-mile tread wear warranty, you know the durability and tread life of the tire will still hold up when the weather is warmer. The tread design isn't just about traction though, it also enhances handling and stability. Actually, I'm talking a lot about the tread here. Let's pull back in and I can give you a closer look. The first thing I want to show you are the interlocking 3D sipes at the shoulder area. Can you see how many there are and how densely they're packed in? These enhance block stiffness, making the shoulder blocks rigid for a crisp steering response, even in wet conditions. The upgraded 3D sloped tie bars reinforce center blocks, giving me better handling and providing water evacuation when I need it. Take a look at something else with me. See this little hourglass-looking emblem on the tire? That's a snow performance and wear indicator. It helps me check snow performance and wear level conveniently. These 3 dots will start to go away one by one. Once they all go away, I know it's time for a new set. Very cool. After driving on these tires for some time now in a variety of weather conditions, I'm thoroughly impressed with the Solus HA32's performance, traction, and handling. I think the biggest features for me personally are the advanced tread design and snow-optimized compound. They give me confidence when I drive in rain, snow, and slick conditions. If you're in the market for a versatile tire that is a no-compromise solution and can truly perform in all 4 seasons and even excel in winter and adverse weather conditions, I highly recommend checking out a set of Kumho's Solus HA32s.